Hey yo everybody, what's good? It's your boy Eddie, back again with another video. What's up, TRD fam? How are y'all doing? And I am at Casa right now, but that's because I just got a package. I ordered something from Brace1Performance, and it's a strut tower bar. You know I needed to get that because my engine just be moving so much because I'm so fast. I hope you guys know I'm playing, cause yeah, I'm playing. Duh. Let's get it. Here's the strut bar. And let's see. DIY this over. It wasn't playing. Here's a piece of it. A nice flat red. Nice, very nice, very nice. This is how it looks. Brace1Performance Strut bar. It's nice too. Now time to go put it in the car. Yes sir. Alright, I saw a video on this because Brace1Performance posted one. So I was like, I bet, let me check it out. So but what I saw in the video was take out these screws. The guy recommends to do it diagonally. Same thing on that side. And just put it on. And that's what we're going to do. Let's do it. See if I can post it. Alright. Now I got them off. Got them off, and now I'm gonna just place it because it wasn't that hard either. All I used was 9/16. Same shit. I just noticed I didn't even have to. I took out 4 bolts. I was only supposed to take out 3. Might goofy. And yes sir, this is the finished product. It looks good. Got the throttle body spacer with a red one, AM intake, Brace1Performance. Look at this engine bay, bro. This looks sexy. Gorgeous, bro. Go check out Brace1Performance.com, bro. I'll leave their Instagram in the description below if you guys want to go check it out. Maybe cop one too, bro. This thing is fresh. Makes the car pop out. Gives it more of that red bright. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to end the video here. Just show you guys like this Brace1 install strut bar that I put on the car. Maybe if you guys wanted to buy one or wanted to know how to put it on, you guys now know. But yeah, guys, I appreciate the love that I've been getting on the videos and on Instagram, everything, bro. I appreciate it all. Like, for real, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate all the support. But I am gonna end the video here, guys. This has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.